Hey guys, hope you have an awesome day. In this video we're going to be drawing a Leprechaun Pusheen for St. Patrick's Day. So all you need is some paper, something to colour in and draw with, so let's get started. Now first thing we're going to draw is a little bit of an ear here. I'm just going to draw one ear, nice curve like that. Cool, and yeah, we're going to draw the rest later, but we're going to draw that here because behind that we're going to draw his little leprechaun hat. So first of all we're going to draw this edge of the hat, or the rim of the hat. Yeah, like that, and then because it's a kind of a leprechaun top hat, it's quite tall, bit of a curved top, and back down there again. Yeah, and then we're going to draw another little line in here, because it's going to be, you can colour there in. Alright, so let's draw the rest of our Pusheen character. So we're going to draw the rest of the body starting from the ear that we started. And we're going to go nice big curve around like that. I'm just going to stop there. And we're going to draw a little foot. And it's just a little, it's like a U. He's got a little bump there, yeah. And then we're going to draw another little curve like that underneath. And then we're going to draw another little kind of a U or a bump. Alright, and then we're going to start doing a curve up, and we're going to stop probably about here. So let's go up. Nice big curve. He's a big round fat cat like that. And this is where one of his arms is going to be sticking out. So do a nice little curve up, like sort of like that. And then we just follow that curve going up, and we'll draw the other ear. So it's a bit of a point, and it goes down to his hat like that. Great, that's looking cool. Let's draw the tail. So the tail sticks on the other side. Nice curve around like that. Cute little tail. And he's got a stripy tail, so we can draw some stripes. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, now let's draw some more details. Let's draw his face. And he's got round eyes. Nice circle like that. And one on the other side there as well. Cool. And let's draw his mouth. So the top lip, it's just like a bit of like two U's or a W. Yeah, that's a nice shape. And then his mouth is another U underneath like that. Yeah. And then let's draw some whiskers. Now, Pusheen's got 2 whiskers on each side. So let's draw 2 here, starting from inside the body, out like that. Yep. And then draw the other 2 on the other side. But these ones here, they start on the edge of the body like that. Cool. Now the only thing that we're missing is Pusheen's 4th arm or leg, because we've only got 1, 2, 3 at the moment. So let's draw another one, and it's a nice, just quick, simple curve like that. So it looks like he's standing up, maybe doing some Irish dancing or something. Now the other thing you can do is to add some decorations on it, is to draw some clovers around it, or the Irish shamrock, and it's just 3 circles like that, and a little stem. So we'll do a few more. Let's do another couple on the other side. Great job. Looks like Pusheen's all ready to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Now, we are still missing a couple of things. Pusheen's got a couple of stripes on the back. He's got two stripes here, about here. Yeah, and then along the top of his head, he's got 3 a little bit thinner stripes there. I was wondering why it's looking a bit empty. Alright, there we go. So that's our Leprechaun Pusheen all done. Drawn. Yeah, and now it's time to colour in.
And we're back!
Yeah, we finished colouring in our Leprechaun Pusheen. Very easy character to colour. There's mainly kind of a bit of a greyish colour, and we gave him a green leprechaun hat, and also the bit of a stripe there is orange, so it's kind of green and orange, which is the colours of the Irish flag. And of course some clovers around them as well. So are you happy with your drawing?
Yes.
Great, I think you did a wonderful job. Looks pretty cool. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you had fun drawing our Leprechaun St. Patrick's Pusheen character. Wow, that's a lot of words. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other videos for you to draw along with us. So see you again soon. Bye.